supposed to make a video today. So I finished one room, kind of. You see, I have, like, most of it done, so I moved my stuff into here. So here's the list for today, my boys. I've got 17 things on there. I've kind of been cranking. It's already noon. 12:05. So yeah, I've got some stuff done. I'm gonna get a few more things done. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go rip the bike a little bit. Rip the old Honda. I'm gonna try to set up the tripod and get some wheelie clips for you boys. But I'll have a GoPro soon, so we're gonna have some fucking footage for you boys. So yeah, I gotta get the rest of this trash out. Rest the trash out. Kitchen's clean. See? So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. I'm gonna take all this out, take this out, cans to the basement, and yeah, we're really kind of getting stuff done. You know, we're gonna go adventure a little too. You already know we're gonna go find something. All right, boys, guess what? We made it to the garage, and of course, I forgot all the stuff I needed. So this is what's left of the passenger side motor mount. That's what's left of the driver's side motor mount. I forgot my Sawzall and grinder because I was supposed to stuff them in my backpack. So that's not getting done today. One thing off the list. There's what I cut off already of the stock motor mounts. But yeah, that's not going to get done. So whatever. But I got the paint for the shower, so that's going to get done tonight, which is exciting. So I'm trying this Tough Tile spray-on shit from Lowe's. We'll see how that works. We'll see. So we're going to give that a try tonight. Here's this. I kind of started sanding it already. This is from when my wheel fell off. My truck landed on this fender here and snapped it right here. You actually surprisingly can't really tell from the outside anymore. Obviously, you see the Bondo and shit, but I don't know. I think I did a decent job making the body lines follow, considering it was completely snapped there. I coated it with fiberglass resin and then used actual fiberglass matte, and then I did Bondo body fill over the top to solidify it. And I put a load of resin under there to solidify it. She's solid. She's real solid now. Also cleaned up some little spots on the fender there and there. So these are going to be going out for paint soon, so I need to get this done today. So I'm going to crank the sanding out. Forgot the tripod, so the wheelie clips are going to have to be like me setting up a rock somewhere or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll run home and get the tripod. We'll see. So yeah, let me get back to that, finish that up so we can get out of here. I'm going to go mow the lawn too, bro. Better believe it. My property manager hired a lawn guy, so I don't even get to mow my own yard anymore. So here at Kim's house, her lawn needs a mow. So you better believe I'm going to take care of this shit. I'm going to cross pattern it, I think, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling, but it's definitely in need of a mow. So yeah, I'm going to take care of this at some point today, too, with the trusty Craftsman. Thing's hog. All right, let's go. I need Taco Bell. So it's gonna need one more thin coat across the top. I won't even lie to you boys, but I don't know. Something kind of tells me I missed my calling as a body guy. Just kidding. All jokes. I'm debating if I'm gonna do the last thin coat on top and sand it before I take it to paint, or just have the paint guy do it so that he gets it in one try and it's nice and perfect, because he'll probably do a coat over top of my work anyways. So yeah, that's done. Time to mow. Oh yeah, the old girl did a good job. Lawn's nice and clean. I love mowing the lawn. Makes me feel like a dad. Love that shit. It's so satisfying. Getting a fresh cut. But let's head to the crib. I won't lie to you guys. We were gonna go on a little adventure. I don't know if we still are. Going to hang with a female. We'll see.